Hey guys, Simon here, and before I talk about this funnel that Mark and I created, I want to give you some proof of concept here. That way you know that what I'm going to be giving you and what Mark and I have created actually works. We've tested it with thousands and thousands of clicks with Google ads, so we really know what we're doing. I've been doing this since 2006, and I know how to do paid ads, and we're very, very good at it. So really, I just wanted to show you, this is our new group, Traffic on Demand Mastermind for Online Earning. And John Ainsworth has been buying from us to build his Builderall business and is now estimated to earn over $1,000 a month with Builderall, which is just awesome. And I'm very proud of him. He's very consistent and he's already getting upsells with all of our products, which is cool. So he has extra money as well inside Warrior Plus, where we hold our additional products. And I'll explain exactly how this entire thing works now. But first, just so you know who I am, Simon. You can check me out on Facebook. And as you can see, I'm very good at promoting high ticket products. I got a lot of experience, selling information courses and things like that. Mark and I are doing extremely well with Warrior Plus, and this is kind of like a picture of me at the park, and then I kind of cropped in what we're doing in 30 days with Warrior Plus. And I'm not like trying to brag or anything. I know there's a lot of people out there that just try to get you into these things, and it's very irritating, and I can understand like where you're coming from with being skeptical and all that. But I just want you to know you're actually working with someone like me who actually cares about your results, and I actually book calls with all of you, so if you want to talk about it or optimize your funnel even more, then we can do that, and then I can walk you through making even more money. So like this is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and I'm doing about $600 a day. Sometimes it's only like $200, but very, very regularly it's around 600 to 700 per day. And it's crazy. Like, I've worked very hard. I've struggled for a very long time, from 2006 to like I'd say 2015 was just really hard, and I didn't really get anywhere. And I've really just, once I found internet marketing and creating my own courses and things like that, that's when things started getting really good for me. I used to be back at like an Empower Network back in the day, and we don't all know, but some of you might know exactly what I'm talking about. So I've been involved in some deals that did not go well for me, and this is different. I found Builderall and I found Mark, and then we got together and we just started building out these funnels and really just focused on helping people actually make money using the marketing systems and the sales videos that I create. So with that said, I just want to show you the sales video. So this is the page that's converting extremely well for us right now. The last run we did with 500 clicks from Google Ads resulted in over 10 sales in the Builderall and a bunch of upsells with our products on the back end, which means that it was extremely profitable. And as you can see, this video is about, I think it's about 18 minutes long, almost 19, and it converts very well. It's getting them in the mindset of they've been struggling for a while. They want to learn how to be an actual successful affiliate marketer. We show them Builderall testimonials and income proof. We show them the plan. We tell them what they're going to get, and then they get started for $1 by clicking this button. And then they got these 3 fast steps to real automated results. Sorry about that Facebook message. And basically it shows them how to purchase, download the funnel, and make sales, right? And then they got to basically we got the testimonials here. These are brand new. These are people who have used our marketing system and are actually making money with it, so that's cool. Ever since we added this video, the page is actually converted even better, which is great. So they get in for $1, and then once they're in, they're going to go through a series of upsells, and these upsells you'll be able to make 50% commissions on. Whenever I add a new product, like I'm going to add a $1,000 course soon, you'll get $500 a sale on that product, which is crazy, right? I mean, then you can buy Google Ads and start scaling because you know that on the back end you're going to make your money back. And that's how a successful affiliate marketing business works. You have to have a solid back end, otherwise you're just going to be struggling, and it's just the truth. So this right here is the first upsell that they get once they pay the $1. So you can see I'm about 60 pounds heavier in this video. I've went from 249 pounds down to like a $190. And I was really big in the weightlifting, so I just ate a lot of food and I got really strong. And I was lifting really heavy. But now I lift okay weights. But anyway, that's irrelevant. Just so you know, this is actually me. I look much heavier in this video. But anyway, they go through this. We offer this to them at $67. they can either get it or they can skip it. And if they get it, then you get 50% of that. And then how it works is, if they say no thanks, then we're gonna take them to a downsell page where they will be offered at $37, but they don't get as much for this. And they don't get some of the bonuses that we have on the back end that are kind of unannounced that we add there. It's automatic, because on Warrior Plus you can add your bonuses in the download page, and as soon as they buy this, when they access their purchase, their bonuses will be there too. So if they skip this, then they're going to get introduced to becoming a super affiliate, making 50% commissions on our entire funnel. And then I talk about basically how they can scale a business using paid ads if they have a solid back end. And then once they get this, they're redirected to the members area, which is right here. And then I walk them through setting up their business. I get them to book a call with me. And as you can see, like when they're scrolling, I have this button follow them constantly on the left-hand side. That way they can actually book a call with me, because I'm going to get your leads to buy the upsells, which is going to make you more money. And then it's going to get them to stick with Builderall, right? And then I'm going to get them to buy traffic too, which is going to get them to stick with Builderall. And yeah, so they're your leads. You get all the credit. They're in your Builderall network. You get the commissions on those. You can also sell them your own traffic if you want. We all know that we can connect with Builderall people. Like, you can message your team and sell your own traffic. We just know how to do Google Ads very well. And so that's why we chose Google Ads, because it converts very well. So right through here, we show them how to get approved immediately for affiliate access. They're going to use our social profiles so they can get approved. And then we have it to where as soon as they add these into the application form and then put in the name Mark Hayden, it's going to be an automatic approval, so you don't have to worry about them not being affiliates. And then down here, we show them how to import the funnel that they're going to get. That's got the 3 steps, and it's got all the upsells and all that. And then right here, they can download it, and then they can buy these upgrades again whenever they want on this page. And this is a blank link, meaning that when they're cookied to you through your affiliate link, if you have access to that, when you plug in your affiliate link where we show you where to plug it in, then you're going to get the sale for that. You're going to get the commission for that, because this is a naked link. It has no cookie on it, and it's going to be yours. And plus, when they book a call with me, down here or up in the top left, I'm going to get them to buy those upgrades so that they can scale their business, right? And then we have all this other training in here. We have Google Ads and YouTube Ads training. If they don't want to buy ads from us, or if they don't want to buy ads from anyone else, they can do it themselves. And then we got the top affiliate training, which is like basically how to become a highly productive affiliate and actually make daily income. And we get them to join the Builderall groups. This video here, I'm basically explaining it all, and that's my balcony view, which I really enjoy doing those. Those videos are way more fun than doing them in the office, honestly. And then so I'm right here, so they can, if they don't want to learn Google Ads, they don't want to learn YouTube Ads, they can just buy straight from us. And then so they can click this, and then it's going to take to the sales page that I put together for Google Ads. We mark this up a little bit so that Mark and I can actually make a little bit of money, but it's not too much. It's not a big markup, because Google Ads are actually pretty expensive, and it took a long time for us to optimize the account for the keywords that we wanted, like start a dream business and start your own online business, work at home, things like that. And so they can go through here and they can buy traffic, and then when they buy traffic from us, you're going to start getting that tier 2 income coming in, because when they buy traffic from us, they're going to get those Builderall sales. And then the next month, I think it's the second month, you're going to get 30% of anything they make, right? So if they have people in their network and they last 2 months, you're going to start getting 30% commissions from the tier 2. So it's pretty cool. That's really all that is. Once they get the funnel set up, they can use this service, or if you want to sell them your own traffic, you can do that as well. You can just plug them in to your own stuff, which, you know, that's your choice. They're your leads, they're your people. And so that's pretty much it on that. I would say there's really not much more to talk about. It's all here. This is what they're going to be getting. They're going to be getting on a call with me. Oh, and then when they do book a call, like say they click on this, I'm available for like 5 hours a day. Okay, so like say tomorrow, 12, so the a.m., so 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and then 12 to 4. So yeah, plenty of time for me to actually close sales for you. If I get them on a call and I get them to buy the upsells, which you're going to get the commissions on, and I get them to buy traffic, so they're going to start getting leads and they're going to start getting Builderall sales, and then you're going to start building your tier 2, right? On top of having that tier 1 being built. So this is something that Mark and I have been working really hard on. I'm really excited about it, and I am very dedicated to this. You get your people to book calls with me, and I will get them to buy the upgrades and get traffic, and then you'll make even more money. I mean, that's the goal, right? We want people in Builderall to make more money. That's the whole point. And even Eric says that you should be creating offers and selling offers to people if they're valuable, if it actually makes sense to them and actually helps them grow their business. So that's what Mark and I are doing. We've created this offer because we know it works. We know it works. We have case studies beyond case studies. I'm sure you've seen the video testimonials that get posted inside the BA group sometimes. And John Ainsworth, over 1,000 potential monthly commissions. And plus, he's getting upsells like crazy in Warrior Plus, so he gets income from that as well. Just like what I was showing you on the timeline, the Warrior Plus income, which these are all upsells in different parts of our funnel, being generated from Google Ads. So this stuff works. It's very effective. You'll be getting access to everything that we have to offer. Plus, you'll even be able to book a call with me if you want to talk to me as well. And I can actually give you some pointers. I have a ton of experience now. Like I said, 2006 is when I started, so I've pretty much seen everything that I can see. There's really nothing new that I haven't seen. The only thing new that I've seen lately was TikTok ads, which I'm learning how to do. And TikTok ads are going to be pretty cool because there's a lot more older people in people in their 30s and stuff who have money to start a business who are getting onto TikTok. So that's going to be a training I'm going to add as well to the members area once people get in. So that's it. That's all I really wanted to say. I just, we take care of your people and we get them to buy the upgrades. And all you got to do is just pay a one-time fee, $97, and you get everything. You get all of our upsells. You get to keep 50% commissions on all of them. When every single product that I added this funnel in the future, you don't have to pay any extra fees. You're going to get 50% commissions on all of those. And that will be updated. So whenever you use your affiliate link, you don't have to change anything. It'll just be part of the funnel, and whenever we add a product, you'll make more money. And you'll be able to scale and be able to buy more ads. You'll be able to buy more Google ads. Like, we're at like 500 to 1,000 a day ad spend on Google because it works. It works very well. And yeah. And that was just, and that's other stuff too. We promote other things, but we just recently started focusing on Builderall and putting all of the traffic going there. So yeah, if you want to book a call with me, just click that flashing button to the left. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much all you got to do. Just pay the $97 on this, and all you got to do that is scroll right here. So I'm a little sleepy, so if I sound stuttery or whatever, it's because I got like 3 hours of sleep, so don't worry about that. Sometimes that happens. I get too excited and I don't sleep. So buy a super affiliate, become a super affiliate, $97, one-time fee. Don't get the downsell. Make sure that you actually get the Billy Montez signed up. That's cool. Make sure you actually get the become a super affiliate at 97, and then you'll be redirected to basically get your affiliate link on Warrior Plus. You can plug it into the funnel, and I'll give you access to everything else that we have. And yeah, it's going to be great. Hey, I'm looking forward to actually getting your results, like what I got for John. I'm looking to get him, if we can get him to potential 3K with Builderall alone, and then the upsells and all the other things that he's gonna experience with us because he decided to take action. It's gonna be a really good thing, and I'm gonna be here creating more funnels, creating more products for you to make money on, and that's it. Just become a super affiliate, and I'll drop a link below this video in the description, and then I'll also give it to you in Facebook chat as well if I'm talking to you on Facebook, and it's worth it. It's a one-time fee, and you'll be able to work with me. I'm always on Facebook. Just hit me up for any questions you have. I can give you insight. I can give you tips. I can give you training. I have a ton of training, and I have a ton of experience closing. So if you need help with that, I can help you with that. And I look forward to working with you.